welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back. I am coming back with a review, and I am reviewing this Il Makiage foundation. I woke up like this and I got number 060. So what's really cool about this, I'm going to show you the packaging that it came in. So look at this cute little, so the foundation came in here. How cute is that? And it was really well packaged, and it came in another little box. I'll insert clips of what I unboxed it and what it looked like, or pictures or whatever. And yeah, so I've already tried it one time, and I really liked it. I really like how it went on. I mean, it wore really well for me. But I'm gonna go back to how I ended up deciding on purchasing this, you know, a foundation online without ever having seen it in person. And so it was one night when I was up late at night and I was watching someone review this, and how they were like amazed on how, you know, they took a test and they were able to find the perfect match and cater to their skin type and skin tone, everything. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. So I went on and I took the test. It's really cool because it, you know, it asks you, it shows you and it asks you different questions, and you get to pick like the picture that most represents you, and you do it about 3 or 4 times, and then you finally get what your shade is. And I got this, and let me just say, it was a really pretty much perfect match. And it asked me about my skin concerns. It asked me how I like my finish on my foundation, how my skin is it dry, is it really oily? And so with all that said, this is the foundation that they suggested. And so if you don't like it, then you can return it and you don't have to pay, you know, the full price of it. But if you do like it, then later they do charge you for the full amount. And I will insert, I can't remember from the top of my head, but I will insert in the video on how much I ended up paying afterwards. I think they just ask you to, the shipping fee, that's all you pay for to begin with, and then after that, then they will bill you after the allotted amount of time. They will bill you what the foundation is. So I just went with the foundation. It asks if I wanted to do the concealer, but I was like, I just want to try the foundation first. And so yes, here we are. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Let me find, okay, so I got my sponge here, and okay, I'll just use my sponge and my finger. So I'm gonna do one pump. Oh shoot, wait a minute. You know, you can tell it's been a long time since I've made a video, but look at it. It matches me. But before I do that, let me go into my actual primer. I forgot to prime. I'm gonna do the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. I really like this primer. Oops. So I'm gonna put that on really quick, just because I really want it to, you know, last on me. And I always use a primer, so I don't want to do the review without my primer, because this is the one that I've been loving lately, and I know it works for me. I don't use foundation without primer, so why would I test it without a primer if I always use a primer? Okay, I use the Jelly Pop, and then I do, because I usually have more pores on my nose and on the sides of my nose, so I use a more pore filling one there, and I take just a little bit, like a little dot, and I just kind of put it on that area where I know I have more pores and I want more soothing. Oh, what was that? Oh, some liner or black shadow. If you do like my eyes, I have a more in-depth that I'm going to put in my Instagram TV. So if you want to watch how I did this eye look, go ahead and look there for that, if you don't follow me on there already. Okay, so I did that. All right, I'm gonna do a brush to apply it first because usually that's how I do it. I'm gonna do one more pump because just because. So I'm taking it on the brush first and I'm applying it. And this is a brush that I got it in my BoxyCharm. So yeah, then I take my beauty blender and I really like to blend it in with that. And look at it. Isn't that blows my mind, dude. How good they had it. Like, they really did a good job in their quiz on how they come to the conclusion of what you are. They ask the right questions and they show you the right pictures, because this dead on perfect match. Perfect match. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. I'm gonna do the other side. Yeah, they show you pictures of like the kind of undertones. So that you can really get an idea, so they can get an idea of what you are. And so I'm just really impressed. I'm really impressed how they got it right. Because I like the formula of this foundation. It is geared towards my more dry skin, and I wanted more of a satin type of coverage and buildable, and that's what I got. I'm just adding a little bit more here where I feel like I need a little more because I'm being extra today. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just stamp that in. Okay. And yes, you can hear my daughter. Okay. All right, so there we go with that.
Can I have some ubas?
Okay, a little bit. Oh, you look so cute, mommy, with your ponytail.
Huda did it.
Oh, she did a good job. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my concealer that I've been using and loving lately. Is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14. Just gonna pop that right in here. Here, here, here. And like I said before, I've already used it and I was very impressed with it. And it wore really well for me. And I'm gonna use a little bit of primer water from Smashbox to help me blend out more my concealer. What did I say? I'm sorry if you can hear my family in the background. I got started in doing this video really late, so. Okay, well, with that said, I am probably gonna speed through this so that you can see everything without hearing everybody in the background. So I will do that now and then come back when everything is all done and put on my face to gather my final thoughts on this foundation. Back with the rest of my face makeup on, and I just want to say that I'm very, very impressed with this foundation, and I can't believe that they got my perfect match just by taking a quiz. I can't believe it. And wow, the formula, it's amazing. It's catered exactly to what I need, which is something that's very hydrating. I wanted a, you know, medium to full coverage foundation, and that's exactly what I got. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try more items, more products from this brand. Actually, what I am wearing right now, and I'm sorry, excuse my nails. I need to redo them again. But anyways, I am using, this is what also turned me onto the brand. This is what also turned me on to the brand, was that I already had tried these lipsticks and I absolutely loved them. So I thought, hey, if the lipsticks are good, let me check out the foundation. And of course I kept seeing it on my Instagram feed, you know, about this foundation, about this brand. So actually this was a gift from my best friend. So if you're watching, Christina, hey girl, thank you so much. This is from the Carli Bybel collection or collaboration, and it came with the lip liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. Wow. I mean, the packaging itself too, like if you can feel it, it feels luxurious. It's weighted. And it performs really well. I really enjoy it. That's the lipstick I'm wearing, and this is the one called Libra Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color. And then the Star Child is the lip gloss, and the waterproof lip liner is called Luna, I believe. So amazing. I can't wait to try out more products from this line. I think next I'm gonna try out their concealer and see how that works for me. But so far this foundation is a thumbs up for me, 2 thumbs up for me. So if you are curious and you want to try it out, I say try it out. I mean, if you don't like it, you can definitely send it back and you won't get anything. You won't lose but $5 because you paid for the shipping. But that's it. I think that it's worth a shot. I really like it. I think I'm going to continue to buy it because it just works really well and it's my shade. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see different content from me, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will love to do that for you. So thank you again for coming by and spending time watching this, and I hope to see you in my next one.